click, off, click. Your nitrile gloves. Discharge. Hello and welcome to Starborn Science. Today we will be making a complex of copper with hexamine or hexamethylene tetramine. Do not confuse this with copper tetramine perchlorate or thinking it's copper with 6 ammonia ligands. It's a copper molecule with hexamine ligands, with hexamethylene tetramine ligands. Now, here we have an issue, which is we don't really know how many hexamine ligands are bound to the copper, and I don't really own a mass spectrometer or GCMS or any kind of $500,000 machine to do analysis on the compound, or nor do I am in any university lab, so I can't really know its true compositions. There are some papers online, however those papers discuss the formation in DMF, and I'm doing the synthesis in anhydrous ethanol, so I don't really know how many hexamine ligands are bound to the copper. So here we are going blind. I'm just drawing speculation over here. I'm drawing 4 hexamine ligands onto the copper. And of course my whiteboard couldn't fit 4 ligands, so I drew 2 and marked the other 2 with hex, meaning hexamine. So yeah, there you go. And also, this is pretty straightforward. We dissolve the hexamine in anhydrous ethanol, and then we introduce dropwise the copper perchlorate, and then we put the mixture in the freezer and the complex precipitates. We filter it, we dry it, and yeah, we're done. Also, this time again, we're gonna do it like the previous time, which is like a cooking show, meaning I have the complex ready for you to see how it behaves. So, it's quite reactive by itself, even if given its city oxygen balance. So 3 grams of hexamine are added to a beaker, and we are moving on to my stirrer. We apply heating and add ethanol. and we will dissolve the thing, and it will take some time. So we will be back until this thing does its stuff to dissolve, and then we'll proceed to add the copper perchlorate for complexation. It was a bit violent, so I restrained it. So now I'm gonna add the copper perchlorate while stirring. Now you're gonna notice a green precipitate. Now that's not the complex, that's copper hydroxides from the basicity of the hexamine. Don't let that fool you. You must go above that. Must keep adding until it goes light cyan. There you go. That's what we want. Now, after the addition of copper perchlorate, we let that stir for a while and place it in the freezer for precipitation. So there is our complex. It's not much, but it's there. Now filtering the solution. Normal gravity filtration will do here. So this is the complex after precipitation, and now we're gonna test some of its properties. And here is the oxygen balance version with 20% potassium chlorate. So this is the impact test for Copper Hexamine Perchlorate, oxygen balanced version. So yeah guys, this was the video on hexamine copper perchlorate. Again, I do not know the correct or even how the molecular structure of this complex is. The hexamine ligand is a multidentate ligand. It can coordinate the copper atom in many different places. It might even be a polymer. That being said, that was the video. Hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and I will see you on the next one.